Somebody call my office and tell them I quit. I've got a new profession.
Okay, can I just...
To speed things up before dinner, be sure to prepare your ingredients in advance. This way you'll have everything prepared. If you're... Oh.
You don't believe me? You said prepare.
A little bit more fresh cracked pepper. It's not working. Okay, can we pause it? You keep it rolling. Don't move. Keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. And I didn't wash my hands between touching the raw chicken and the thing, so everything has to be washed down. I wish you can smell it. Smells so good and look beautiful. Enjoy.
Beautiful.
We done? I'm gonna go on if you're not telling me to shut.
Is that good? Okay. Stop.
Chop up enough to disperse throughout the whole week. You can edit that out. Or you can cook the roast a little earlier and then leave it in the refrigerator, which makes it a little bit more firm and easier to slice. Okay, this roast is not slicing at all.
That's okay. Just.
Absolutely fantastic. Okay, make sure it's really well smothered. Okay, now we're going to cover this with foil.
Keep rolling. Stay right there. The foil's right here, Adiel. Right there. Stay right there.
I'll try not to laugh.
Is this out of frame?
Yeah, but now
Right here. I was thinking about that.
Say when.
Quiet. And... By the way, 1 second. If that beeps, say... I mean, the oven is on.
So I can make a comment about it.
You can just say, I have one in the oven ready for you.
Okay.
Okay?
And we're going to cover it with foil. I'm going to plop it into our fridge.
I think that's it. That's all it takes. Our chicken soup has come to a boil, and we're going to come and take a look and see what we need to do next. Don't like that. Let's do that again.
Hey, you can leave the bowl there.
Really, the best way to eat tuna, the rarer the better. So if you overcook your tuna, you might as well open a can of Albuquerque tuna for 99 cents rather than spending the extra bit of money on the tuna. So that's a very individual thing.
And I'm going to pour it into this colander right here. Let all the water drain. Now, contrary to popular belief, I shouldn't talk.
Wait for the gurgling to go away.
Oh, the toilet sound?
Yes. Okay, so you give it a shake.
Keep you going through the week, and you can disperse those through all the vegetables, through all the recipes that you're going to.
Okay.
Mike Jones, ladies and gentlemen. Mike Jones. Mike Jones needs a psychiatrist.
Chop up for the week or for...
Every shoot presents its own challenges, and this particular job presented a good handful of challenges. First of all, there was a kid waving orange juice at me. The challenge of a new square, ladies and gentlemen. Mike Jones. Every single job is challenging.
I'm supposed to move away and somebody cleaning. This is what I taught.
Still hard, and I have no problem letting this saute a few minutes longer. While we're waiting for that to happen, I'm going to ask Adiel what he wants me to do. Hi. No. Hi, my name is Ricky Katz. I'm from Brooklyn, New York. Currently finishing Brooklyn College for journalism and marketing, but I cook and bake a lot on the sides. And on the side.
It's okay. Just...
Put it on 2 minutes for low, and then the other 8 minutes on a
and a fast bit.
I think our soup is done. It's been 3 hours. We've skimmed it, removed it from the stove, and we're going to have a look, maybe plate a dish. You know, let's start by getting my tongs. Okay, sorry about that. Let's do that again.
Just a minute. I just want everything to get nice and hot. And I want. I'll
What's the problem?
Oh, you fell down again, that piece.
No.
Jam it up there.
I did. I'm going to continue.
I have the
I'm going to
close up.
repeat what I did.
Shot, do you see that?
I want my oil.
There you go again.
Give me the white tape. White tape right here. I have it.
Look at him.
Hi, my name is Nechama Katz.
We'll stop. We'll start all over again. One second.
Well, it doesn't make faces at me. We'll be okay. Okay, here we go.
I was stalling so she
Do you want me to start over from the beginning?